In this video, we will show you how to recover or restore unsaved Word documents. For example, in here, when you're creating article, paragraph or text, for example, we're creating something look like this, and we forgot to save. Okay, for example, we're creating something look like this, and accidentally we close and select don't save, and this is very crucial. Okay, now our text or edited is gone, but you can recover the document with just open your Microsoft Word. This is very easy, and even if you creating blank document like this, it still can recover. Okay, you can open your Word documents, then you need to click files, and in here you need to choose info, and then select manage document, and select recover unsaved document. You can see here this is the latest version of unsaved documents. Let's click open. You can see there, this is a recover file that is temporarily stored on our computer. So after you find your document is restored, you can just click save to make it will not gone. And that's all tutorial how to recover or restore unsaved documents using Microsoft Word. Hope this video helpful for you.